Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup, natural makeup routine. So this will be my first makeup tutorial on my channel, which I'm really excited about. I have all this stuff here and I'm gonna jump right into it, and I'll talk about the products I use and why I like them and stuff like that. So let's jump right in the video. Number one, first thing that I do is I use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. My favorite thing ever. It's so hydrating and it's not, it doesn't make your face oily like cream moisturizers do, which it's winter now. So my face gets extremely dry. Next, I'm going to be using this, which is my holy grail favorite. I actually just got the Aloe one for Christmas, which I've been using that one a lot, which this I've had since June, and it's January and I still have the same bottle and it's not even halfway gone. I use it every day, yet I don't know. I hate when it gets in my mouth though. Next, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender. I love beauty blenders. This one's currently dirty, but I wetted it. It's stained and I cannot get the stains out, and I've been loving this foundation because it's really it has a dewy finish and it's great in the winter when you have really dry skin. It's the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Airbrush Finish in 10 Porcelain Ivory. So that's what it looks like. It is so amazing, and this is my third bottle. I used to use it about a year ago, and then I didn't like how dewy it was because my skin was really oily, but I went back to it because my skin is now very dry in the winter. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, Fair Neutral. Sometimes I don't use my Tarte Shape Tape because it's so full coverage, and if I want it to look more natural, I will go in with my NYX HD Photo Finish Concealer because it's more thinner, but it still covers my dark circles, but it doesn't look as thick and cakey. That's the only area that I put it in. Next, I'm going to be taking my Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is what it looks like. It's a great drugstore setting powder. And lately I haven't been using my beauty blender because I haven't really been baking. I've just been putting it under there. So I take some on a smaller face brush and just kind of put it under my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking this wispy brush, eyebrow brush, just combing through my eyebrows because all the foundation I put on, I want to get it out if I got any in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX mascara. It's an eyebrow mascara, Brunette. And I'm almost out of this. I've been using this for a year. but like I really don't like filling my brows. I just kind of like put this in it to add like a tint and to shape them. I'm going to be taking more of my Shape Tape, put it on my lid, and then I'm going to go back in with my setting powder, set my eyes, because you don't want them to crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Tartelette in Bloom by Tarte. It's like the formula, and I just like the brand Tarte altogether. In with Charmer all over the lid. In the crease with Flowerchild. Pointed like blending brush. Nice neutral color for the crease. It's a really nice transition color for a natural look because it kind of blends in with my skin, but it's a little bit more brown. Next, we have a Smarty Pants, if you can see that. And it's just like Flowerchild, but it has more dark brown in it. And I'm going to be blending it into the crease, but lower than the first color. I put taking the shade Jetsetter, and I'm going to be putting it in the outer V. Taking the color I just used, Jetsetter, the darker brown, and placing it under the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics brush it's the luminous concealer brush, but I use it to pat shimmers onto my lid. But first, I always spray it with the Badescu. I don't know how to say it. Okay, so many people say it a different way, but give it about 3 spritz. And then I use that side, and I do that with every single shimmer I apply because I find that it always applies it way better. And I'm going to be taking the shade Funny Girl and going on my lid with it, but not quite to the outer part of my lid. Keeping it more like center and more inward. It's a really nice shine to the lid so it's not so matte. So this is my eye look on lids, which I absolutely hate. It's the worst thing ever. But I'm going to be doing my mascara. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express. This has recently been my favorite lately because it really like makes my eyelashes really long and stick up. Obsessed with the Tarte lash paint. I've been recently obsessing over that one too. Natural days I don't try to apply a lot of mascara because it's a pain in the butt to remove. So I keep it pretty natural. which I hate doing my lower lash line. I always end up getting it on my lash line, the mascara all over it. Next thing I'm going to be going in with is the Tarte blush in Traveled, which this is I got like a set that I bought a few months before Christmas when they came out with their holiday edition stuff, and it was like a pack of like 6 or 7 blushes in like this mini like travel size, and this really cool packaging. And I like have wanted to try out their blushes because I heard that they're really great, and I've heard lots of really good reviews about them, so I wanted to try them out. But I thought this was cool because I could try out many different colors, ones that are matte, ones that are shimmer, so I could get a feel of like how the formula is and decide which color I like. This is what it looks like. It's a very peachy nude color, which is my kind of blush. I'll be going back in with the same brush I used to do my setting powder, and I'm going to grab some of this blush. Next, I'm going to be going in with my favorite part, Tarte highlighter in Stunner. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot say enough good things about this highlight. The formula is amazing. It's not too powdery, it's not too creamy, it's just all around amazing. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M510 brush, the highlighter brush, and popping it where it's supposed to go. The second to last thing I'm going to be using is the Ultra Glossy Lip Laura Lee Color Pop in the color Wham. My go-to gloss. The prettiest lip gloss ever. Next time I order a Color Pop, I'm getting like 5 of these babies because it's limited edition and it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's like a nude gold lip gloss with goldish frosty glitters. It is so pretty and the packaging is gorgeous. Last but not least, my favorite setting spray is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, and it's a really great drugstore brand setting spray, and it's like my go-to. Completes my video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please go subscribe down below, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on my post notifications.